Oh, this time I'm not gonna go. I'm guessing this is the first one. So, is it like left, left, right, left, 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 right, left, bottom? Maybe? Sir, get out of here. Left, right, left, bottom? No. When is the 12-hour stream when we hit 400 followers, Sleepy? That sounds like an exciting afternoon at Kroger's. Does every outing to Kroger's not involve twerking? I mean, I've never been to Kroger's. But I feel like if I ever went to Kroger's, I would definitely twerk. That seems like the norm. You get to learn how to score study this semester, and you're very excited. I'm not sure what that is. Garrus, you gotta get hard for me, bud. You're gonna have to suck it up. You poured that beer. Are you drinking on the job? Are you drinking on your break? You're pouring that into your eye. Maria, I think we're gonna have a talk. You too, Martian. Oh my god!
Oh my god! Wow!
Oh my! Oh no, we both. No, we should both live.
Wow.
That's not fair. No. Hello. Hello, I am Cat. Yeah, oh yes. Yes, I am Cat. Yes. Yes. Let me tell you the story of how I've ended up here. You see, I tried to jump, and it didn't go well. And now I'm here. That's it. That's the whole story. Oh, the headbutt? Oh, I thought he was just like hearing some good music. He's like da na 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 na, ba 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 da na 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 na. No, he's not doing that. There's an S. That's like saying that you shouldn't pronounce Wednesday as Wednesday.
Where'd the elephant paint his toenails red?
To blend in with the strawberries.
Close, so he could hide in the cherry tree.
Oh.
Did you hear Tarzan died?
No.
Oh yeah, he was picking cherries.
Poor Tarzan.
Why do ducks have webbed feet?
I don't know.
Or put out forest fires.
Oh god.
Why do elephants have flat feet?
To not put out forest fires?
Put out burning ducks.
Oh. I feel like you do a lot more than put them out if you stepped on them, if an elephant stepped on them. To be almost at the end. Ah! Ha, ha, ha. Nice try. See anything. You don't see jack shit. Just turn around. Turn around. Stop it. You're making a fool of yourself. You're making a gosh dang fool of yourself. Am I hiding from him? You're making a fool of yourself. Oh, I'm sorry. I say this a lot, but I'm very sorry for what's about to happen. What's about to befall your eye holes. But here you go. Oh no! Who's your daddy? Wait, I don't know the next step. Oh, we gotta go get the jars. His grillmanship. Oh, here, Billy. Oh God, I'm gonna. How do I do a Billy voice? How do I do a Billy voice? He's grillable. I definitely can't. That's my Billy voice. I'm sorry, Billy. Your voice is. I think your voice. You have like a. Like, I think I have a deeper voice than Billy, so it's hard to do a Billy voice. That's perfect. I've tried to get on his level. Hello, everybody. Welcome to a nice little chill afternoon bonus stream, where we're gonna hang out. We're gonna just vibe. We're gonna start out by watching the new Pokemon trailer that dropped this morning. I've managed to stay spoiler free, which doesn't happen very often. I believe this is the new one. So we're gonna watch the little trailer. Senator, how are you, my friend? How are you doing, Senator? I hear you're gonna join us for some Genshin later this evening, for the Beardy Bunch. You're doing great. Hell yeah, that's what we like to hear. Let me pause Spotify. After we watch this, oh, what have I done? What have I done? Oh, what have I actually done? Oh, I made like OBS. So I can't move it. That's not good. Uh-oh. I've created a problem. I don't even know how I did this. I don't even know how I did this. Now I can't minimize it. Oh, I've minimized everything. Oops. So I have some random games from Game Pass that I've been meaning to play. So this afternoon, after we watch the trailer, I'm just gonna hang out. I'm gonna vibe. I'm gonna play one or two or more, depending on how we enjoy them, of said games that have been sitting on my computer for a while. It's gonna be a really fun time. You got so much going today. Oh no! Oh, you don't know about Genshin, but definitely the podcast. Definitely the podcast. Okay. That was what Dad mentioned. Okay. No worries. I thought Dad said you were going to join us for some Genshin. But we're definitely down to have you either for Genshin, for the podcast, whatever you would like to do. We're happy to have you. We're very happy to have you. I think we'll probably do the podcast around 10 p.m. EST. I'm doing fantastic. I have a day off today, so I'm just kind of vibing. I already got some writing done for the day on the new book. And I've got nothing else going on until the watch party at 6 p.m. So I'm just going to hang out. We're just going to hang out. If anyone wants to come hang out, we'll be here. We're going to watch the trailer, though. Let's watch this trailer. Pretty sure this is the new one. It just came out this morning. Jelly Fun! Jelly Fun, how are you? Oh my god, it's so loud. Oh, fuck, it's so loud. Hang on. It's so loud, and I have no idea what's happening. Hang on. We're going back. We're going back.
Vibing.
Yeah, that's right. We're just vibing. Jinto! Jelly Fun! All right, here we go. We're going back because it was too loud and I couldn't tell what was going on. There's car. Treasure hunt. There's car that's actual car. Crab! What? Are those Mega Man characters? What? Were those Mega Man characters? There's a lot happening. I hope they, like, show it. I like Crab. Team Star. Oh, no. Are these our bad guys? Are these our bad guys? What? What? Oh, oh. Hello, oh, hello, oh. Mommy? What? Are these our bad guys? What? Why are they on a car? Crab, show me crab. Yes, crab. Crab. No, show me more crab. I don't care about this guy. Show me crab. Yeah, I don't know what's up with the paper effect. This is the first time they've shown it. Doctor's so fucking sexy. Hey, oh my god, he's huge. Look at this guy. Crab cloth. Okay, I like cloth. Cloth has automatically made this a good trailer. Why is he so big? Why is he so big? Oh, hello. Are they showing us the Elite Four already? Oh, the league chairwoman. Trainer who shows you the ropes. There's a lot going on in this trailer. I do like Sunflora. Oh, hello! Grass type gym leader. Oh, I hate the duck. I hate the duck so much. I fucking hate the duck. I also still hate this. I also still hate the crystal effect. Go where I want. I mean, I want to go where I want. You despise the terraform hats? Me too. I think they're really dumb. I'm glad I'm not the only one. Flannel got really upset at me last time because I don't like them. What? Whoa, whoa. These are just Mega Man characters. That's a Mega Man character. That's like Duskamon from Mega Man Battle Network. And that's just Firemon. Also from Mega Man Battle Network. Those aren't Pokemon. Those are like Digimon. Yeah, I also don't like people. Like Pokemon that look like people. I've discussed this on many occasions that I don't like when Pokemon look too human-like. I think it's weird that we enslave them. Available worldwide, 2 days after my birthday. Alright, hang on. It's really creepy. Like, Machoke and Machamp have always been really creepy to me ever since I was a kid. Where are the Mega Man people? Here we go, Mega Man people. Apple! Apple! How are you? Show me. Oh god. It just looks like Firemon from Mega Man Battle Network. It looks like they just took Firemon. Or Fireman, not Mon. That would be a Digiman. Digimon. Fireman? Isn't it Fireman? Mega Man? Battle Network. It just looks like the chibified version of this. That's what it looks like. It looks like the chibi version of this. And I'm pretty sure there's another character that looks like the other one. You're in your fan. Oh no, Jellyfud, are you okay? I don't like it. It doesn't feel like a Pokemon. I don't remember what the other one was. Was there a Duskman in Battle Network? Well, there was, but it's not that. There was another one that looked like the other one in the Battle Network games. It looked like this one. This one kind of looks like Zero. Were they going for like Mega Man and Zero? Because this one has a sword. And the other one doesn't have a sword. He's got a Mega Buster. Is that what they were going for? Are they going for like Mega Man and Zero? You're more and more disappointed with the roster for first the motorcycle Pokemon and now the Mega Man Pokemon. I like the one motorcycle Pokemon that actually utilizes its wheel. I know they showed them like in the beginning. I like the one that utilizes its wheel. The one that just runs around like a big doofy dinosaur. This one. Like, why does he have a giant wheel on him if he's not going to use it? What's the point of the wheel if you're not going to... Look, he's got this big wheel and it's just like a big goiter on his throat. Like, why? Just get rid of it. He looks cooler without it. I know you're going for like bike look, but he would look so much cooler if you got rid of this. If he's not going to use it, just get rid of it. He looks so much cooler without it. But this one's cool because he uses his wheel. You're good. You're just getting home from teaching. Apple, how did it go? How did the teaching go? And you have Starbucks. Ooh, what'd you get? I do like this one. This one's kind of cool. I mean, the other one, if it had a reason to have the wheel, it would make sense. But with it being just like a big goiter on its throat, it's weird. Well, no, I'm pretty sure they've confirmed that this is not a wheel. It's like a part of its throat. It's like a throat sac. Which a butt rocket is cool. Kirby! A butt rocket is kind of cool. Let's be honest. I would, if I had a butt rocket, I'd be okay with it. I do like Crab. Crab has won me over. I like Crab. Like, 1 in every 3 Pokemon they show from the new one, I'm kind of like, all right, you've got me, Game Freak, or the Pokemon Company, whatever they're called now. You've got me. Team Star, the school's troublemakers. I feel like we're just straying further and further from there being villain characters in these games. We're straying for first. There was Team Flare. Well, Team Flare was they wanted to destroy the world. They were kind of evil. But Team Skull wasn't very evil, and then Team Shout was really dumb. They were just following a little girl around. That was their entire purpose. What else? What else do we have? They got a cool bus or car, whatever you want to call this, the Pimp Mobile. I'm all about Sprigatito. Sprigatito is going to be my starter. I love Sprigatito. They better not. Sprigatito better stay on 4 legs, or so help me. So help me. Someone's getting the stern brows. If Sprigatito doesn't stay on 4 legs, someone is getting the stern brows. Quaxley might have a cool evolution, but I don't like it either. And I promise to not insult Flannel's son again, but I may or may not have laughed hysterically when I first saw it. She looks cool. I feel like cosplayers are gonna go crazy when they see her outfit. Look at those freaking boots. Look at those boots. You don't need the boots with the fur when you've got boots that you could potentially, like, live inside. Look at how big those boots are. It's going good. The class is co-ed, so there are younger students in the class, and they tend to disrupt the class with questions they already know the answer to. Besides that, it's been great. I'm sorry to hear that that's happening. You got a pumpkin cold brew with extra... Oh, is the pumpkin stuff out already? Oh, shit. Oh, shit, I didn't know the pumpkin stuff was out yet. I thought it was, like, October all the pumpkin stuff came out. Maybe she has a bazooka in there. We don't know. We don't know. Where's Crab? Crab. There's Crab. 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 There's that guy. Who is... upperclassman and gifted cook. Oh yeah, gifted cook. Crab. So wait, are there tiny crab and big crab? Wait, that's like tiny crab. Are there 2 different crabs? This is a really big one. Oh, they come out in September. Oh, I don't know why I thought October is when they rolled them out. So wait, are there tiny crab and big crab? The Stony Cliff Titan. Cloth. I love cloth. I would die for cloth. What else? It's the Pokemon League. This is the chairwoman of the Pokemon League. Gita. It could be like a Gorgeist thing where there's little ones and big ones. Or maybe that's just their way of showing us that there's going to be different size Pokemon in the world. Hello, maybe that's their way of showing us that there's going to be like different size ones like out in the world. Gita, we've met, what's her name? Nemona, who's probably going to be our not rival character. And this guy, who's apparently a grass gym leader. Grass type gym leader. He looks like he needs some sleep. Look at the bags under those eyes. You need some sleep. Sir, you need a nap. Also, I'm not sure what's going on with your hair. I know it's supposed to look like vines, but I don't know that hair is supposed to look like that. I don't know that your hair is supposed to look like that, sir. You may want to try like a different shampoo. I think you're growing some mold. I think you're growing some mold up there. How do you feel about the trailer, Senator? I know you're a big fan of Pokemon. Quaxley. I hate Quaxley. Quaxley looks so doofy. And I still hate this crystal thing. I think it just looks so dumb. It just looks so tacky. Like, they could have done something cooler. They could have done something cooler than that. Or they could have just not done anything. Anything in these little pictures? Any like little spoilers that they don't know that we're gonna notice? Are those? Hold on. Hold on. Can I zoom? I can't zoom. This is a video. Those look like hot dogs. These look like pictures of hot dogs in a restaurant. Is there gonna be a hot dog restaurant? Hey, hold the phone. Is there gonna be a hot dog restaurant? Hang on, I'm gonna do a print screen. Hold the phone. Slothy! Slothy, I'm so sorry I was distracted by hot dogs. Thank you so much for the 20-month resub. How are you, Slothy? Hold the phone. Where are my screenshots? I want to zoom in on that. Oh, apparently it didn't work. Hang on. Print screen. There it is. Slothy's here. A wonderful Slothy. Oh, I left the bar. Shit, I left the bar. That's fine. That's fine. Look at this. Those are hot dogs. Those are hot dogs. Look at that. Those are 100% hot dogs. There's hot dogs in the game. What? That's a hot dog. There's hot dogs. There's like a whole hot dog restaurant. You know what? You know what? You know what? You win, Game Freak. You win. You do whatever stupid shit you want. You put hot dogs in the game. You do it whatever stupid shit you want to do. You want to put little daffodils on top of the Pokemon? All right, you do it because you put hot dogs in the game. Oh, that's a good question. What are the hot dogs made of? What are they? Oh, they're made of Oh, don't tell Dad. Don't tell ATM Zero. You know what? I forgive this. I forgive you, Game Freak, because of because of this. There's hot dogs. Hot dogs confirmed. Hot dogs in the Pokemon universe. Wait, there's a Giraffe-a-rig in the background. Do you think the hot dogs are made out of Giraffe-a-rig? I forgive you, Game Freak. I forgive you for everything. I forgive you for everything. I don't know. I just get like a close-up picture of this to whip it out whenever I need to talk about my favorite thing about the trailer. I'm so happy there's hot dogs. There's hot dogs. Here we go. I now have just the I just have the screenshot that we could zoom in on the hot dogs. There they are. Look at them. Look at them in all their hot dog glory. Look at them in all their hot dog glory. They're beautiful. Beautiful hot dogs. I can't wait to make this my favorite spot in whatever this region's called. You legit thought the Knights were the Gallade regional for it. That would have been kind of cool if they did that. I feel like they went for, like, this looks like Zero. Like, Zero from Mega Man X. And this looks like Mega Man. I mean, it looks like Fireman from the Battle Network games, but he's got the Mega Buster. I feel like they channeled their inner Capcom, and they're like, we're gonna put Mega Man and Zero in, but they're not gonna be Mega Man and Zero because obviously we can't do that. Neo, Apple, Neo, how are you? Neo, look, Neo. I'm gonna be showing everyone this picture. Look, there's hot dogs in the new Pokemon game. There's hot dogs. There's a whole hot dog restaurant. Hot dogs in the Pokemon universe confirmed. Hot dogs. Hot diggity dogs. What are those hot dogs? But that brings the real question up is, what are the hot dogs made of? What Pokemon do you think they make the hot dogs out of? Have we seen customization yet for our character? I don't think we've seen character customization yet. Can't talk. Have they shown, like, has our character been in, like, they're always in the same outfit? Did they get rid of character customization? See, we're always in this outfit, and then the boy trainer has like a different hat. I wonder if they got rid of customization. Or maybe they just don't want to show it yet. Oh wait, no, that's a different outfit. Never mind. That's a different outfit confirmed. Different outfit confirmed. Kylie! Oh, Kylie. Okay, I'm gonna be showing everybody this. Kylie, look. There's hot dogs. We found the hot dogs. We found them. They were in a tiny... I don't even know how I freaking noticed them. They were on this screen here in the bottom. Those are hot dogs. There's hot dogs in the new Pokemon game. Hot dogs in the Pokemon universe confirmed. The great glizzy in the sky, the great pepperoni in the sky has even reached the Pokemon universe. We're still up in the air as to which Pokemon they use to make the hot dogs, though. It's been theorized it may be Lechonk, but we can't tell Dad that. Dad would be very upsetty spaghetti if he knew. What else are in these pictures? Did we miss anything? I don't think so. I'm sure they wouldn't. They clearly picked these pictures especially so they wouldn't reveal anything that they didn't intend to reveal. Yeah, there's nothing. What is that? What is that thing? I basically did. Like, look at the size of this. I mean, I'm watching the trailer on a 60-inch, so that helps. But, like, look how tiny it is down there. And I saw it. I'm like, oh, that's a hot dog. Also, those look like shoes on a counter. What? You haven't seen Esper yet, and you're starting to get nervous. Uh-oh. Esper was the first random natural shiny you got. Ooh, that's exciting. All right, once we hit the end, we're gonna wrap this up. We're gonna play some games. Yeah, I guess they do have different outfits. Where do I keep my shoes? In the closet. Under my bed sometimes. All right. 2 days after my birthday. I'm excited now because now we have to look for the hot dogs in the game. Now when we play, we have to look for the hot dogs. You can't keep them in the closet. That's where you live. Oh, well, Jelly, I'm so sorry. I've been keeping my shoes in your house then. The night Pokemon are different types. What do you mean? The night Pokemon are different? Well, I figured they were different types. What was that in response to, Senator? I'm sorry. I assume they were 2 different Pokemon and not like evolutions. They don't look like evolutions. They just look like 2 different Pokemon. They just look inspired by Mega Man. Whenever you see a hot dog restaurant, you'll think of me and laugh. Yes. Just remember that I now have this screenshot on my computer. I have this screenshot that I can whip out at a moment's notice and show off the hot dogs in Pokemon. They knew what they were doing. They're like, ah, shit, there's a whole section of the fan base that wants hot dogs. It was all those emails that I wrote when there were no hot dogs in Legends Arceus. They're Fire Psychic and Fire Ghost. Ooh, that's kind of exciting. Fire Ghost is pretty exciting. We've had, what fire? We had the Alolan Marowak was Fire Ghost. Have we ever had another fire? Wait, was Hoopa? Was Hoopa Fire Ghost? No. I don't think so. I don't remember. There's so many Pokemon now. There's so many Pokemon. But I know Alolan Marowak is Fire Ghost. Chandelure! Yes! Chandelure. All right, we're going to play some games. We're going to play some games. Some games. Play some games. Wait, I got to move some stuff around, chat. Give me a second. Because I'm going to play some PC games. So I gotta move you to the other screen. I'm going to move you to the other screen, chat. We're going to play some random games from Game Pass. I've been wanting to play, so I have a bunch of like Game Pass games that I've been wanting to play for a while. And there's one called the Artful Escape. Oh god. Streamception. Oh shit, what's over here? And oh, we don't want to be there. Oh shit, y'all are seeing something you're not supposed to see. Y'all didn't see anything. Here it's gone. We're gonna play a game called the Artful Escape. It's on Game Pass. I think it might be like a rhythm-ish game. I don't know. It looks like it has a really cool art style. So that's what we're gonna play. At least to start. I have a bunch of games on Game Pass that I just haven't found time to play or like time to schedule full streams for. So that's what we're gonna do today. We're just gonna vibe and we're gonna play some games. The Artful Escape. Let me just get the game switched over. There we go. I'm doing fantastic. Neo, it's so good to see you, my friend. We don't always get to hang out because I know I usually stream at times when you're usually sleeping. There are 4 fire ghosts. Chandelure. Well, Chandelure has an evolution, right? Oh, Litwick. Yeah, Litwick. Chandelure, Other ones, Marowak. I already said Marowak. Alolan Marowak. Lampent. Yes, Lampent. There's so many Pokemon now. I remember the days when I could name all of them. When I could name all the Pokemans back when there were 151. I remember those days. Those days are far behind us. Now I can't even name 15% of them. Yeah. Let's do a little check of our settings. Where's my... Can I play with controller, I wonder? Let's see. I imagine I could. Big Game Pass game. I feel like it has controller support. Yeah. Because it always sets my settings way too high. And also, it usually sets my volume way too high. Alright, so this is called the Artful Escape. I actually think Bo may have mentioned this at some point. I think Bo may have mentioned this game at some point.
And his daddy lifts him up on his
What? Hang on, is there like... I'm guessing this is stream safe, because there's no stream safe mode. I think it's a music game. I think it's like rhythm based. That just really surprised me because it kicked in so quickly. You're gonna hop off and do some LARP prep. Hell yeah. Jelly, I hope it goes amazing. You're amazing. Thank you for hanging out. Senator, I counted the whole Chandelure line as one. Whoops. So add Litwick and Lampent plus wait, Shandy? What is Shandy? Brassifilian? What are they? Oh, I forgot about the new Typhloid. What is Shandy and Brassifilian? Oh, Chandelure. Oh, Chandelure. Okay, I was like, what is Shandy? I was so confused.
This will all be yours, and the banks of the rivers are lined in gold, and the sweet.
Oh, is the clown Ultra Beast is a fire ghost type? Really? Oh, I had no idea. I like to forget that the Ultra Beasts were a thing, especially what's his name? Buff Lobster. That looks like the character from SpongeBob. To strum a folk ballad about the toil of a miner's life, hold square. Hey, Lisa! Oh, real upsetty spaghetti. To play a folk anthem about the green acreage of Calypso, Colorado, hold square. But what about Oklahoma? Oklahoma! Take me home. Oh, you stopped. I'm so sorry. You like Buzzwole? Buzzwole just falls into that uncanny valley of being a people-like Pokemon. So I'm immediately offset. Oh, Rockin' Dad, how are you? Oh, Rockin' Dad, I think we're about to shred a sci-fi guitar odyssey by holding. Oh yeah. I don't think that's how that kind of guitar works, bud. I don't think that's how that's not an electric guitar. Sir, that's not an electric guitar. Sir, that's not, we have musicians in the chat. That's not how that kind of guitar works. Well, hello.
Your look doesn't match your sound.
Eddie Munson flashbacks? Yes. What? Hey, what do you mean my look doesn't match my sound?
Excuse me?
You dress like a drifter, but you sound like a space opera. Complete tonal disconnect. Gives me anxiety.
Oh, sorry. That was... I'm usually much more serious. I play folk music.
You look like you do.
I mean,
What's
I'm
wrong with
trying
folk
to
music?
write for the show. My first show.
Uh-huh.
But after a while, it feels like I'm strumming backwards.
Mm-hmm.
And my mind wanders away.
Where to?
What's wrong with folk music? Planets without
Planets
names.
Without names.
You seem a little lost, kid. Which is good.
Why? How are you? Why? We gotta show. Hang on. We gotta show why. We gotta show why. I've got to show you something. Hang on. Why? Why? You've got to see this. You've got to see this. You've got to see this. Why? I'm gonna show everybody this. Why I have something very important to show you. So why did you see the new Pokemon trailer today? Look it. We found hot dogs. We found hot dogs in the new Pokemon trailer. We found hot dogs. There are hot dogs in the Pokemon universe. We found them. We found the hot dogs. I'm gonna show this to everybody. This is now my this is now my life mission to educate everybody on the fact that there's hot dogs in Pokemon. And of course it was on like that one scene where it was like a bunch of tiny windows that just like it was like a whole little collage of tiny windows. And it was one of those tiny windows. I was like, hang on, we've got to zoom in. Those are hot dogs. I can tell. I have an eye for hot dogs. Those are hot dogs. There are hot dogs in Pokemon confirmed. You might have dropped $100 on a DS game. What DS game? Some DS games are pretty pricey now. All right, we're back to the game.
I find lost young men are in the business of irrational and dangerous decisions.
Ratzel, you've got a hot dog for me. Oh, Ratzel, say less. I'm ready.
Wouldn't you agree?
I'm ready. I'm ready for your hot dog.
Not sure about dangerous, but I...
Castlevania Order of
Excellent.
Ecclesi? I've never heard of that one. Is it good?
I need you to accompany me to the summit on the
Hot dog spotted. Yeah, it redeemed everything. The fact that there's hot
You're
dogs
going
in the
to make
game
a call.
has redeemed everything that I'm kind of on the fence about. The new games, automatically they go out the window. I'm on board. Hot dogs in the game. Game Freak, you do whatever you want. You want to put a penis Pokemon in the game, you put a penis Pokemon in the game. I don't care. You put hot dogs in, you do whatever you want.
Okay, I'll do it.
I knew you would.
Dope.
It's the last Metroidvania Castlevania they ever made. From what I heard, it's the best Castlevania on the DS. Oh shit. That's awesome. The trippy dick Pokemon called Cubchoo. No, don't be. Oh, I've got jumps. Oh, I've got jumps. Look at my little jumps. Look at me jump. Do I have any other functions other than jumping? Nope, I only jump. I just like the idea of like skipping through the forest.
The summit. Kids come here to hang out. At least they used to. A lot of folks moving on from Calypso.
I wonder if I can turn up the... There we go. Still seems to be running okay. Alright. Just makes everything look nicer. Also, since you bought it, I have officially have all 3 Castlevania games on the DS. Hell yeah. Once I finish my conquest of Metroid games, Oh, sir, you okay? You kind of teleported for a second there. I will probably try and play more Metroid games. Or not Metroid, my current conquest is Metroid. More Castlevania games. Because other than what we played of the first one, during that one stream, I have never played a Castlevania. Oh, we're climbing. Yeah, we're climbing. Where are we going? Sir, where are we going? We're just running through a field. Where are we going, sir? Oh, the summit of Leaf Road Ridge.
Where did this come from?
After party for your show. Rami's gonna move the crowd up here after the liquor license scratches.
Anything after Symphony of the Night is different from the one that I played. Which one? Symphony of the Night I've heard of. Is that on the SNES? Which one? Is that the one on the SNES that everyone really likes? I know there's one on the SNES that everyone enjoys as like their favorite
The skiffle band.
Castlevania. Oh, PS1. Oh. How many Castlevania games are there?
I'll give him a chance.
Plug into the amp on stage. I'll patch you in.
Is this your stuff?
A lot.
Of course.
Isn't there one on the N64 that was not well received though? I feel like there's one on the N64 that a lot of folks weren't too fond of. Oh, let's play a folk ballad.
Stop. No Johnson Vendetti clone folk. Play the stuff from The Lookout.
Oh, no. Seriously? That's nonsense.
Hey, when it comes to nonsense,
We don't
I'm one
talk
of the
about that
greats.
one? Oh no.
Hey.
Is it that bad? That's not how that kind of guitar works.
that one. Play again.
That's not. Can I get confirmation? Apple. This kind of guitar would not play that kind of music, right?
That's worse than the first one. Bonanza. That's it.
What are you taking?
Not usually, but it's not really the guitar that matters. It's the gear. I see.
Nothing.
All guitars are the same. I don't know. I've always associated that kind of sound with like an electric guitar. Oh no, it's the worst in the series. I'm so sorry for bringing it up. Why?
Later.
Wait, what? Where? Hey, where are you going?
Wait, is this Rami stuff? You're stealing valves from Rami?
Yeah, so?
I'm not really sure what's happening.
He killed a man in Boulder. Everyone says so.
Punched him in the neck. I know.
I'm Francis. Francis Vendetti.
I know who you are, kid. I saw the flyers. There's a very tiny picture of you on it.
I never signed off on the flyers.
You ever made it to the top?
Top of the
Too
tree?
scared to try.
I mean, it's never too late. Oh. That's a squirrel. It looks really nice. I'm just not really sure what's happening in the story.
It's beautiful.
Yeah, you could really kill yourself from up here.
How about no?
You shred pretty well for a folk singer.
Thanks.
So you're standing in the shadows of Johnson Vendetti, huh?
He's my uncle.
That must suck.
It ain't so bad.
There's Castlevania-like made by the people who did Symphony of the Night. Bloodstained. I have Bloodstained. I've never played it. It's still in the shrink wrap. It's still in the shrink wrap. Eventually, I'm gonna play it though. I actually have Bloodstained. Maybe it's not in shrink. I may have gotten it used. I have it for the PS4. It's a fantastic game. Ooh, Apple, but yes, since it's an acoustic guitar, it should. Oh, so it would sound. Oh shit! I've been shit talking this man's guitar skills,
It's just that
thinking that they're
most
fake
folks think
skills.
They know who I am,
Shit.
where I should be going.
I just thought an acoustic guitar had like a different
Have you
sound.
considered becoming someone else entirely?
Oh, shouldn't. Oh. So I wasn't wrong. Okay.
How do you
No,
mean?
that's okay, Apple. That's okay. I trust your musical
I'll tell you about it
expertise.
someday. I gotta scram. Stay weird, kid.
Hey, will I see you around town?
You know Lightman's in Calypso?
In Calypso? There's no such place.
Maybe you're not looking hard enough.
Someone else.
Yeah, I do have that game. The Bloodstained Ritual of the Night game. I just have not gotten around to play it. I've had it for a couple years. It's one of many games in my backlog. Oh, the Artful Escape! The Artful Escape! I love the art style of this game. I'm still not 100% sure what's happening in the story. But that's okay. I'm just vibing. Oh, look at those
Finally found out I was up
shoes.
here when his gear got stolen. Well, I'd rather not think about it. I'm gonna book it back to town and forget the whole thing.
Okay. Oh. Well, there's a grubbin in chat. I don't like grubbin, but it's in chat if anybody else wants it.
It's a place.
Wow, Ratzel, you're in rare form tonight, Ratzel. I like it. I like it. You're in rare form, my friend. I appreciate it. How are you doing, Ratzel? What's on your agenda for today? You're working and losing your mind? No! You need me to build like a fire outside on the sidewalk? Like just a small one, but like enough that it'll get you out of work for the day? I got you, Ratzel. We'll bust you out. Just build like a tiny campfire on the sidewalk outside. You must write, yes, Neo. Thank you for the lurk. You have a presentation to write. Ooh. Let us know how it goes. You're amazing, Neo. Oh, you work from home. Oh, that may not work then. That may not work then. Oops. Never mind. Never mind, Ratzel. That may not work. Oh, you're welcome, Ratzel. I got you. Don't worry. Hello.
Francis, you little bastard.
Oh, hi to you too.
Come to me, my love.
Goldie, you lucid?
Oh, perhaps a bit.
It's you when you're old. I approve.
Got a lot of new material. Probably an album's worth.
I think when you're beneath those lights, I might catch a glimpse of my old friend.
It's your old friend.
I hope so too.
You look like him, you know. Your uncle.
Oh.
I know, Goldie. I really do. I think this place used to be a watchmaker. Undeniably haunted. Possible hub of underage drinking.
But let's go back to the haunted part.
Ah, yeah. Man of the hour. Hey, Tao.
Yo, I've never seen so many people in town.
Yeah, it's horrible.
You listen to that record?
Yeah. I kind of loved it, actually.
Now that surprises me.
It's your grandma Ratzel.
What with you being a
Hell
serious
yeah.
folk musician?
You ever heard of Lightman's?
Junk sci-fi movie.
It's not a movie, it's a place.
It ain't in this dead end.
Yeah, can't be serious lately. Keep spacing out.
You gotta let it happen, man. Play blues, play funk, blow minds.
Yeah, sure. See what I can do. I'll catch you later, Tao.
All right, bud. You just want it to be 5 p.m. so you can run an expert. So I'm ready for Savage tomorrow and then play some Tower of Fantasy. Are you talking the raids, the Final Fantasy raids, Ratzel? We were playing some Final Fantasy last night.
Usually much quieter.
Ratzel's at rare 4. I've never seen you like this, Ratzel. I've never seen you like this.
People are
It's
here
like
for
a
the
whole new side of
anniversary
Ratzel.
Uncle's album Pines. It's kind of like a festival.
It's a whole new side of you.
Everyone's
The
pretty
current
excited.
endgame stuffs. Hell yeah. We fought Bug Hercules last night. But I'm in Heaven's Ward.
Johnson Vendetti Festival.
I approve of
ends
it,
tomorrow
Ratzel.
night.
I enjoy it. We
Finale is at the
enjoy
Salty Seagull,
yourself.
where Johnson Vendetti's
'Cause you're
nephew
freaking
will take
amazing,
the
Ratzel.
stage for the first time. That's me.
Maybe it was Ravena. I'm gonna be honest. I called them Bug Hercules the entire
You
time.
avoiding me, son?
No, I don't
Rami.
even know who you
No.
are. Oh, you're Rami.
I find you very intimidating.
What am I doing, Francis?
I have no idea.
I'm smiling.
Oh, is that what you call that?
That's it.
Well, Apple has confirmed it was Ravena. We
And
got
when I'm
confirmation.
smiling, you know I don't mean nothing shady or untoward.
Are you sure that's a smile?
Despite the gravity of the
It
words
doesn't
I
look like
might
a
be
smile,
speaking.
sir.
Right.
We got a full house tomorrow night. My face is friggin' hurting. I'm smiling so much when I say
That doesn't look like a smile.
you will play songs exclusively from the personal repertoire of your uncle. Or you will misplace teeth.
Well then, I suppose we have an accord.
And make sure you show your face at the after party, huh?
He seems like a lovely fellow.
Cafe cliche. Their pastries
If this
are in the
guy,
shape of a
if
villain's
this guy is
nom.
right. Oh, I want to go up there. There's like a whole nother world over here. Like, there's this guy with a banjo.
Hey, start blowing trumpets,
Look at this
lads.
guy with a
It's
banjo.
Francis Vendetti.
Fern, Lonnie, Angus.
Your show is sold out. You know that?
Yeah, I saw the posters.
There better be some skiffle in your show, Vendetti, for your sake. I'm just telling you, 'cause I'm your pal.
Skiffle? Like jazz with pots and pans?
Watch your mouth, Vendetti.
I love this guy.
The Beatles.
What this little hat, this little bowler hat.
Back in a big way.
Hotter than folk music, tell you that for free.
I love your banjo. It'll be a while just to do. No, I mean not all of them. Just most of them. Like, if I see an exclamation point, I'm not gonna pass it by. I'm gonna pick it up.
I have a dream where I swim up that waterfall.
Just why don't you go do it? Go swim up the waterfall. I can't ignore an exclamation point. My OCD will not allow it. It won't allow me to ignore an exclamation point. Hello.
What do you come as?
Oh. You doing okay, sir?
Daddy.
Oh.
That is in poor taste.
The only ones he should do is like MSQ and the ARR 24-man and Stormblood 24-man. I think it's required for story stuff. Apple is referring to side quests. Every time I see a side quest, I pick it up.
Hey, you're
Pretty sure I have like 24 of 30 quests right now.
Nephew.
Sure, whatever. Saw the flyers for his show, man. Probably won't check it out, though.
Why not?
Okay, whatever.
Don't mean nothing nasty, honestly. I'm sure you're a good kid. But you've got no chance.
What do you mean?
Of what?
Johnson Vendetti was a folk mastermind.
Wait, is our
Once
uncle
in a
dead? I'm guessing our
generation.
uncle's dead.
And genius ain't hereditary, kid.
Well, always nice to get the thoughts of an industry heavyweight.
But Ratzel, how will I be the hero of the land if I don't help everybody?
Cassandra, you're leaving? What happened?
Intrigue, laser lights, shops disappearing in the night. I won't put up with it.
Who's got lasers?
Don't mind all that. I'm leaving. Aren't you sad?
I am. I don't have no idea who you are, but I'm real
Cassandra,
sad.
Devastated. Yours is the only shop I bother to steal from.
Lies, lies. You can come visit me down the road in Donnybrook. Here, choose a book.
Ooh.
From me to you.
Ooh.
Sci-fi dribble.
Ooh.
Just
Wait, what's wrong with sci-fi? Hey. Hey, I mean, I don't write sci-fi, but hey. Oh. Morbid psychedelia. A scientist poisons his town's water supply to appear to them as an alien being. Wings of Orion. A king disguises himself as a piece of overcast sky. What? Bellochrome. Using an illegal avatar, a mutant rises through the aristocracy of a cyber city. Lisa! I want to find out about the king who disguises himself as the sky. What just happened?
Well, aren't you gonna thank me?
Thank you.
Sorry.
Sothy!
I was having
This is called the Artful Escape. It's on Game Pass.
Well, savor it, my friend.
So far, I'm enjoying it.
What I would
I really like the
give
art
for a
style.
good epiphany.
Hey, you ever
It's
heard
giving
of
me like
Artful
some Oxenfree vibes.
Francis, I don't think you want to be. Actually,
Although
no,
I don't know
never
if it's
mind.
gonna get spooky.
I've never heard of it.
I don't think it's a spooky game.
Now run along, go practice.
See you later. Sothy! Maybe I can turn it into a catchy jingle. Just do the blue. Oh no, not the knife. No, Apple, not the
I
knife.
never recognize anyone who eats here. Probably a hub for time travelers.
Hub for time travel. Whoa, that sounds nice. Who's calling me? Lisa!
Hello?
Francis Vendetti, the pleasure's all mine. Mayor Swartz here.
How did you know?
I like to have my ear to the ground, my boy. Felt the vibrations. Ready for the big show?
Yeah, just rounding off the corners.
Excellent, really. The town's counting on you, son. What with businesses closing up, low voter morale, may your
Lisa, it's so good to see you. You're amazing.
Haven't you been the mayor for like 12 years?
and a series of unexplainable events that have no basis in fact whatsoever.
I'm doing fantastic. Having a really chill day. Got some writing done this morning, which was nice.
Unexplainable events.
I shouldn't speak about it over the phone. All I'm saying is this.
Well, maybe it is going to get spooky.
Important, Vendetti. There's a lot of folks out there counting on you.
Wow. Okay.
Don't cock it up.
I'll try not to. No promises. Joe, I can't watch streams that often since tomorrow you're going to the hospital for... Oh, no, Lisa, I really hope you're okay. Hope everything's okay. That's okay, Lisa. We are happy to get to hang out with you anytime you're able to. There is never any expectation for anyone to be here all the time. I really hope everything's okay, Lisa. You are freaking amazing, and let us know if you need anything.
Hey, Lucy.
I'm supposed to tell everyone we got Johnson Vendetti's 20th anniversary release of Pines in stock.
I've got a copy, Lucy.
The folk masterpiece. The voice of an American generation, or whatever. 12 million copies
She is me.
Okay, yeah. Lucy, you got any records by people pretending to be someone else?
I mean, sure. You got Captain Beefheart, legendary Stardust Cowboy. Oh, Hank Williams pretended to be a character called Luke the Drifter.
Oh, Luke the Drifter.
Hank Williams, really? Why would he do that?
Just say stuff.
Yeah, we are all... Anytime Lisa's able to stop by, we are absolutely blessed by Lisa's presence. We're so happy to get to hang out with Lisa. You're freaking amazing. And cat picture, except when said cat escapes through the window and we all panic. I'm not really sure what's that. Sorry, are you okay? Sorry, are you having like a bad trip? What's going on?
You okay?
Yeah, I keep spacing out.
That's one way to refer to it.
Thanks, Lucy. My place. Childhood home of Johnson.
Oh, this is a nice house you got here.
A shrine. And a tomb.
And a tomb? That... What? Alright, that's the door. The mushrooms just kicked in. Oh, no. Get somewhere safe. You don't want to be out wandering the street when the mushrooms kick in.
Honey, how was your day? Was everyone excited to see you before the show?
Hello.
Yeah. I'm really
Yeah,
excited.
achievement. Arrive at the Francis house.
Buckaroo?
For your Pokemon Go raid. Hell yeah.
Huh?
You don't seem yourself.
Don't seem myself?
Does she not have legs? Wait, does she not have legs? Or is she just like sitting crisscross applesauce? Sir, are you okay?
I've decided to create the most elaborate stage persona the world has ever seen.
Okay. Will you be down for dinner? We're having enchiladas.
Oh, enchiladas. Whoa.
The boy you loved may already be gone.
So are you doing okay? I have concerns. Do you have... I don't think she has legs. I mean... That's unfortunate.
That's my dad and my uncle. They were really close, Mom says. From the beginning until the end. No one asks me about my dad much.
Oh, we have flushed the toilet. What if we just repeatedly flush the toilet? I don't think anything's gonna happen. Oh no, Apple! That's what's gonna happen. Apple's gonna get upsetty spaghetti at me. I'm so sorry, Apple. I'm so sorry. I love the art style of this game.
Would people believe an alien could play music?
Yeah, I mean, probably. I'm sure
Could the
aliens have their own
radio
music.
intercept intergalactic transmissions?
Probably, if it's a strong enough transmission.
Could I step on stage, not as myself, but as someone else entirely?
It's getting late. I should put on a record and chill out, or let me take a look. Take one more look around. I think I've looked at everything. Yeah, I feel like I've looked at everything. Oh, that's very... Oh, that's why he keeps having weird psychedelic flashes of light.
We, mankind, are just 62 miles away from the infinite. On the far side of a thin film of atmosphere lies a tundra beyond the limits of human comprehension.
Oh, look, it's bootleg Darth Vader.
The universe in all its grandeur.
And Space Nightwing.
And
with a guitar.
Waits mere miles away. The stairway to the great cosmic symphony is at our feet.
Is this about me 10 years ago? Yeah, this is my life story. This is my life story. What can I say? What can I say? It's my life story. It's getting dark. So, this is not my normal light. What is that? No, I don't think I like that. I don't think I like that.
Underscore Weed wants to see bootleg Pikachu.
Bootleg Pikachu! I'm gonna be honest why I'm playing the game and I'm not 100% sure what's going on in the game. Gonna be completely honest. I'm the one playing the game and I'm not sure what's going on.
Bad news knocks this late.
Oh, bad news bears. Oh, look at our little pajamas. Hotline! Look at our little pajamas. Oh, look at those pajamas. Suddenly aliens. Hotline!
Hello?
Hello. Hi. Oh, you want to be friends? Oh. Oh no. Oh no. I don't know how I feel about that. You don't believe in PJs for sleeping? You know, that's okay. It's more comfy without PJs.
Good evening.
It's more freeing. But you can't go outside to meet the aliens without PJs.
Mild. Fragrant, almost.
What? What are you wearing?
Beans!
I am
Is that your walk-on, Slothy? You seen a hentai like this? Oh no. Oh no, I don't know. I don't see enough tentacles. I'm not on board.
You found him.
I am the hypnagogic Zom. I appear tonight as a herald of doom. and calamity. The
Exactly,
support
exactly. You would
Dr.
definitely want
Martinez,
PJs to go outside to meet the aliens.
a replacement is needed. And the captain asked for you by name.
Oh.
Captain? What captain?
He calls himself Lightman.
Oh, Lightman.
Wait, Lightman? You're from Lightman's?
Beans!
Where is it? It's supposed to be in Calypso. But I've lived here my whole life. There is no such place.
Stand extremely still.
What? Why?
Uh-oh. Yeah, so you don't want to get beamed up in your birthday suit. Oh!
How did you do that? Where are my pajamas?
Well, no more pajamas.
Does it adhere to your hideous humanoid arrangement?
I'm in love with it. Why are you giving this to me?
Saw secrets the aliens in the nude.
Is Lightman some kind of alien disco?
Hold out your hand, human.
Oh. Oh, hold square to shred. Oh, yeah. I have no idea what's going on in this game, but I'm kind of loving it. I kind of wish I knew what was going on, but you know what? I don't even need to know. I'm loving it. Are we done shredding? Have we thoroughly shredded?
Did I do that? Was that me?
You're tuning into another dimension.
Oh.
Don't stop now. Lightman is waiting on the other side.
Hey, wait! What does that mean? How did you organize this?
Sir, where did you go? Oh, I can just jam now. I have a button to jam. Imagine if... This is very loud. Hang on, let me turn down the volume just a tad. Very loud. Imagine if you looked outside and it was like the middle of the night and you just saw like some dude running down the street with a guitar, just frantically playing the guitar, but also wearing what looks to be some kind of rave outfit. Oh, we've created fireworks. Am I supposed to light everything up? Is that my goal? Am I trying to light everything up? Get the hops. If the aliens wanted someone naked, they're gonna be naked. What do you mean? What do you mean? Oh yeah, we lit up the post office. Oh yeah. Maps of imaginary countries. Oh shit, I want to go somewhere that sells maps of imaginary countries. Oh, hello. My way where? Hello? Hello? Oh, I like your sock. Hello? Oh, who is this guy? I love his socks. I want those socks. Oh man, look at that style.
That's how you make an entrance, baby.
Yeah, it is.
And don't let no
It's
one
like the
tell
coolest
you
entrance I ever saw.
This him?
I'm afraid so. How did you...
Thank you, Apple.
I heard the word. You got the aura, baby.
Ooh, what dungeon are you in?
How? I'm no one.
What are you doing your dailies? Hell yeah.
And you're making a lot of noise.
Oh, I mean, and I did just run around town with a guitar.
Lightman?
Jammer of the Glamour Gun himself. Now, we ain't got much time. I'm about to star in a performance of Colossal Scope, and I don't go on without a support act.
Oh.
Never, ever.
This is the skinny. Tonight's opening slot has become available.
Oh, that's
Wait,
cool.
You want me?
We're gonna open for aliens.
I'm supposed to be a serious folk musician.
Oh, baby, we'll have you back in time for breakfast.
You did so many dungeons last night. Hell yeah, I did
What?
so many side quests last
I've
night.
got my first show tomorrow. I'm in the midst of an existential crisis. I can't just go running off into the night.
The night? Baby, we're going way past the night.
I love this guy.
Across the dilated pupils of the cosmos. Man, you're gonna see flotsam that'll change you forever.
Change me forever.
Let me give you the first lesson free.
Oh. What is that?
This is the musical key.
Uh-huh, that's sure something. Oh, uh-oh.
You're all over it like a pork chop. Now repeat after me.
I'll certainly try. We do it?
Yeah, you got it.
Oh, we got it.
Now copy my note.
I feel like Eric might like this game.
Your own rhythm. Natural.
We're a natural. We're a natural. Natural button presser.
What do you think, Zom?
He'll be dead by dawn.
What do you mean I'll be dead by dawn? Whoa, hey, ho, ha, whoa, whoa.
Excellent. You
Whoa, hey, whoa, ha, what? What? Wait, what? Well, are we not going to question that? Thank you, Apple. We got, well, hey, I feel like we should be questioning this.
Wait.
Oh.
This isn't here? This isn't a thing. This is an empty warehouse.
Youngblood, the stuff behind this door is gonna blow your mind.
Oh, shit. Right on. That's a whole different game. That's a whole different game. Ask about our luxury packages. Oh, tell me everything about your luxury packages.
Like a travel agent? The Cosmic Extraordinary? I have never heard of any of these places.
Oh yeah, Ratzel's got that luxury package.
Francis, one little admonition. You need to be cleared with legal, obviously.
Obviously.
Yeah, image rights, sync, narrative, licensing, insurance, posthumous royalties, spectromic signature, you know, all pretty standard.
Proud of you, Ratzel. Oh, hey, I don't think you should just sign a contract. Hey, you don't know what's in that contract. Hey, you can't, hey, I don't think we should just sign. No.
Not one bit.
Voice signature accepted.
Hey, what?
Onward!
What? Well, we have just signed our life away. Oh, wow, look at this place. Hang on.
How could this fit beneath Calypso? It's impossible.
Maybe it is gonna get spooky. Oh. What's this? Oh, goodbye.
To pass this sign is to French kiss death.
Oh. I mean,
That's a striking visual.
don't mind if I do. I passed the line. Oh, I did it. Death. Death, where are you? Where are you, Death? Oh, hello. Oh, you're not Death.
Are we gonna French kiss death?
Not one day, unfortunately. But you see that door? That's the end of everything you've ever known, baby. Beyond that door lies the Cosmic Extraordinary.
Oh, yeah, the Cosmic Extraordinary.
What does that mean?
Oh man, that's the great matter between the lobes of the universe. The outside of reality. Often described as the in-between bits.
Oh, the in-between bits.
You can't be serious.
I mean, if Death is as hot as she is in Death, yeah, Death in Marvel is pretty hot.
Not out here. To lose what's left of your marbles.
What does it look like? The Cosmic Extraordinary.
Oh, baby, it looks different to everyone. To me, it's a golden staircase woven lightly. Now to you, who knows?
Oh, we got an achievement. Isn't that, like, I know it's not the thing in the Marvel movies, but I'm pretty sure in the comic books, isn't that Thanos' deal too? Like, he wants to destroy the universe so he and Death can be together? But yeah, they've never quite introduced that into the into the movies, but I'm pretty sure in the comic books that's Thanos' whole shtick. Oh shit. We're in space.
Impossible.
There's a lot of that out here, my man.
Wait, where are you going?
You're on your own, kid. Everyone takes their own road across the cosmic extraordinary.
Oh, there he goes.
The cosmic lung.
Oh, the cosmic lung. Okay.
It's home, baby. It's home.
Oh, see you later. There he goes. There he goes. See you later. Oh. Oh. Go that way? What if I want to go that way? Oh, I can double jump now. Whoa! Got those sick space jumps. Whoa! Hold square after a jump to shred through the air. Aw, yeah. Coulter! Welcome! Welcome! Welcome, welcome, welcome! Welcome, Raiders! Dad! Welcome on in! Welcome! This is very loud. Oh no, it's in the clip? Oh no, that's right, I changed the raid song. That's the new raid song. I thought that was in the game. Coulter, how is the rest of your stream, my friend? I was hanging out a little while ago. How are you doing? Neon Medusa, Wicked, how are you doing? Hotline Werewolf, welcome on in. Coulter,
oh my God.
What a freaking legend. How did the rest of your stream go, my friend? And also, welcome, Raiders. I am Jay Chili.
What the heck is happening?
We're having a little chill afternoon stream because I got nothing else going on today. We are playing. This is still very loud. We are playing the Artful Escape.
What do I do?
Which is kind of a very psychedelic game where we are a musician on an adventure in space. I'm gonna be completely honest. I don't really know what's happening in the story, but I'm honestly kind of loving it. Jinto? Jinto? It was great. Hell yeah, that's what we like to hear. That is absolutely what we like to hear, my friend. I'm so happy to hear it. Hell yeah, that's amazing. Uh-oh, are we gonna have to play music again?
Well,
hello. What's happening with your face? What?
What a strange sound.
What's happening with your face?
Whoa. I'm a wonder. Make no mistake.
I mean, that's one way to put it. You've got like some trees and like a random ear and a flower and like some hands. What's going on?
I am not. You know, I did see her once from a distance.
What was it like?
Ask yourself that every day. No, Apple.
No
What do you see? Harvey face. Good. Now what do you see?
See you later, Coulter. Thank you so much again for the raid and thank you for the lurk. Very scary face indeed.
Way. All the greats are obsessed with pinball.
Medusa, thank you for the lurk. You're amazing.
The only reason we created the universe. What do you call yourself?
Out here? I'm not sure.
My name's Bobby.
I'm dabbling with the idea of becoming someone else entirely.
Oh, like Bobby.
My name
is Bobby. It haunts me because it's a Bobby.
In this place, you are the namer of names.
Oh.
But choose wisely. Names can get carried away.
What? How do you mean?
They wander off.
Oh. I hate when my name wanders off.
Before you know it, they're on books and banners, scrawling themselves over manifestos. A name, once weightless, suddenly burdened with the weight of empires.
I'm pretty sure I'm hearing another voice in there.
Yourself.
Bobby. Oh, I get to actually do it? Ah, shit. I am... Well, Bobby. There we go, Bobby. The almighty Bobby. Yep, that's me. I'm the almighty Bobby.
And where you headed?
Oh, that's not how you say Bobby.
Cosmic Lung.
That's not how you... Excuse me, that's not how you say Bobby.
Really? You're touring with...
Random guitar sound is not how you say Bobby.
Well, if you say so.
Where are we going? Whoop, whoop. Thank you for the good, Coulter. You're amazing. You're amazing, Coulter. I don't know what's happening. But we are the almighty Bobby now. I've always wanted to be the almighty Bobby. Pretty sure our guy is just having a really bad trip. He's just having the worst possible trip that anyone has ever had in all of existence. Oh, and we made it to the Cosmic Lung. Oh, I made it! I am now the almighty Bobby.
What happened? Where am I?
You're aboard the Cosmic Lung, our vessel across the extraordinary.
What does that mean?
Francis, does your species gather in caravans of aimless, cacophonous debauchery?
Nope, don't think they do. You mean like a cruise ship?
You mean like a cruise ship?
That sounds familiar. Why don't you ever explore? Feel things out. May I
don't
offer
like
some
your, I
advice?
don't like your little hands, your little bug fingers.
Okay.
Don't lose your head.
I'll try not to. It's very important to me.
I'll keep that in mind. It's like some far out Hendrix album cover.
I don't have my double jumps anymore. Oh, hello! Oh, gee, oh, I'm so sorry. I'm gonna go. I'm just gonna let myself out. The hell is going on in here? We've got the blue people from Mass Effect. We've got abstract art. Oh, we've got the caterpillar from Alice in Wonderland.
This is so far out.
What's up there, lad?
That's not the voice I was expecting.
Just trying to keep my head.
That's the opposite of the voice I was expecting.
A sensible thing, too. Rather important.
Stretched out Amogus. Seems pretty sus. Hello!
No way! There's a whole damn theater in here.
Where's a little dust bunny? Hey, come back here! Hey! Get out of the way! Get back here! Hey! Hey!
Where to?
I don't really know. Maybe I should just stay here for right now. Oh. Oh, we can dance.
This song makes me feel like pulling something.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, look at these dance moves. Oh, yeah. Dancing.
Dance complete.
Dance complete. All right, dance is complete.
Lightman must be performing here.
You heard him. Dance complete. Lower decks. Oh, I didn't expect the entire thing to move. That kind of caught me off guard.
I can't believe they let us backstage.
I know. Actually, cool. Cooler than usual.
Oh, hey, it's her.
He's never played a show. He's never even left Colorado.
Oh, God, never
You're
left
gonna
Colorado.
fry his
Jeez,
brain.
never even been to Oklahoma? Sheesh.
I think there's a little magic in him. There has to be.
He thought he was a folk musician this afternoon. Where are you sending
Oh, no,
him?
I'm so sorry.
The heliotroms.
Oh, of course the heliotroms. You are pathetic.
Sorry, what's the heliotroms?
Ah, Francis! Knew you'd probably make it. The heliotroms, well, it's somewhat of a monument to me.
Paid for by you.
The whimsical beginnings of my 51 Universal Tour.
Oh.
The tour where I would
Oh,
successfully...
Daddy.
Oh, Daddy.
Wow. What's a Glamourgon?
This is bogus. Mark, seriously, he's gonna get vaporized.
My name is Lightman. Recalibrate holograms for the kid.
This is on you.
Hey, sir, I don't want to get vaporized.
Murders my vibe.
I don't, I don't really want to get vaporized.
Any questions?
What was that part about vaporization?
What kind of show is this?
Don't know if there's an earthly comparison, Youngblood. When creatures buy a ticket to the cosmic lung, they're guaranteed a spectacle of unique entertainment.
And that's us.
Well, it ain't you yet. We venture out into wild dimensions. Shred on the edge of cliffs, slide into amphitheaters. Raise the foundations of reality itself. Then it's all broadcast into the theater. Live, baby. Live.
Live? What's the Heliotroms venue?
More of the whole dimension. Their denizens socially resemble the actor hunter-gatherers of the Philippines. Now, their wealth and standing is determined by the brilliance of their stories.
They trade in stories.
Oh man, they feed on them.
What kind?
Don't know if there's an creatures by.
Sorry, I'm sorry. I already asked you this.
Well, it ain't you. We've
Sorry, sir.
shred on the
Sorry, sir. Sorry, sir.
It's all
live. Cool.
Is it cool though?
Get you tuned in.
Oh, okay.
Wait, is there anything else okay.
I think we're not being informed of the important things that we probably need to know.
Oh, no one is going to believe this.
So I'm pretty sure you're having a bad trip. Pretty sure none of this is real. Not sure how I feel about that worm creature.
Can I check your coat?
Not wearing a coat.
We're a professional, exceptionally discreet service.
You honestly look like you're selling the coats.
I'm afraid we're closed.
Oh, they're closed. Hello. Oh, hang
Every
on.
time
Hello.
I fall asleep, I wake up on the outside of my room.
That's not creepy or anything. What's going on down there? Was there just like an avalanche of clothes down there? I can't go down there, so.
Where to?
Alright, so take me to the mezzanine. The mezzanine. Here we go. Oh, this is where the party's at.
Wait, how old are you?
That's a good question. How old is he?
I exist outside the realm of age.
Not here, you don't. Look, if it's glam juice you want, try downstairs. We don't really cater to kids here.
That's a good question. How old is he?
Zom, this is so gonzo. You're like an intelligence from another world.
I can only surmise you're enraptured with a sense of wonderment, majesty, a certain je ne sais quoi.
I guess so.
Tell me more.
What do you do here? You work on the lawn?
I am Lightman's first mate. I see to his affairs, anticipate needs, acquire the impossible.
Cool. What impossible things have you acquired?
Did you walk through the Austrian Opera House? I stole that.
Oh!
You stole a whole theater?
An opera
Probably
house,
looking for
yes. There's so many in Vienna, it's easy to dash away with one. I left a
Probably,
paper
sorry, they're
trail
probably
at the
looking for that. You can't just steal a whole opera house. You left the paper mache look-alike. What? Okay. Alright. Come back here! Hang on there. No. Hey! Get back here, you little dust bunnies!
My guitar.
Hello! Hang on, what's over here?
Pay no attention to me.
Well, hang on.
Pay no attention to me.
I feel like we should be paying attention to you. Like, if there's anything we should be paying attention to, it's you.
Out of this.
Don't look at me while I work.
Why not?
Oh, sorry. I'm not looking.
Megan! This is like if we
Coming
took a
out
lot
here?
of mushrooms and also we played guitar and also we're in space and also we're like a musician who's trying to find himself. And our name is Bobby the Almighty
Hey,
because the game gave me the
I
option
didn't
to
want you
name
for the
ourselves. Hi, Megan!
And only because there's no
Also, we
one
may or may
left.
not get vaporized.
I gotta get back to Calypso.
For your big show.
This is not from the makers of Oxenfree, although it does give me Oxenfree vibes.
Oh, crap. I forgot about the show.
It's on Game Pass, though.
Listen, Francis. This place, the Lung, we put on 3 shows every tour. That's the contract. No shows, no contract, and no clearance to the next station. You don't play, you don't get home.
I think I'm gonna hurl.
Relay connected successfully.
Bard! Thank you so much for those 69 heart biddies. Nice. Bard, how are you
done.
feeling today?
Anything else?
This was a mistake. I'm a
Bard, bad! No, Bard, are you okay? Lisa, you got a shiny Deoxys out of the Pokemon Go raid. Holy shit!
That's
Congrats!
Whatever you say.
The stomach bug's kicking your butt. No, Bard, are you resting? Are you staying hydrated? Do you have soup? Do you have soup? You need soup.
I can't
Where
be
is
seen
the
dancing
soup?
about as some star man. I'll be laughed out of town. What do you do here?
The passengers think I'm in maintenance. They can't know otherwise.
No, what?
that I run this ship. And that I am, without question,
I hope Bard feels better too. I feel so
the
bad.
greatest laser artist in the
Oh,
galaxy.
the greatest laser artist in the galaxy.
Are you serious? That is so far out. Well, wish me luck.
Have yourself a soup.
Yeah, soup. Soup. What do I do?
Look at me.
What? Hey?
My guitar.
Where to?
That's a good question.
_ma_weed has redeemed a basic Valentine's stream loot gift box.
Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Oh, we can dance again. It's time to...
Oh, this song makes me feel like pulling some shapes.
Yeah, let's pull some shapes. Yeah. 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 Yeah.
Dance complete.
Dance complete. You heard him. Dance complete. Nope, dance complete. No more dancing. We've completed the dance. Hello.
Okay, quickly now. This is the Grand Theater.
Mm-hmm.
Performances are broadcast to the stage here.
I'm gonna be broadcast to all these people?
Heavens no, this is my stage. They'll play your pish posh in the disco.
But no one in Calypso can see the broadcast, right? They couldn't accidentally tune in?
How would I know? Come on, man, follow me.
You tried to eat some soup yesterday and couldn't eat very much of it. No, Bard. You ordered VOD for lunch, which is basically chicken noodle soup. That sounds good. You basically just gone from bed to the bathroom and back since yesterday. No, Bard, I feel so bad. And yesterday was your birthday, too.
See, there's no stage. Well, there is. The landscape is the stage. But there's also stages. You feel me?
I don't know why. Why are we having this conversation in front of the space butthole?
What should I play? I've got this folky ballad about the toil of a miner's life.
Oh, no, please don't do that. You wear folk like a cheap suit, young blood. You're something else entirely. No time to gab, you're on.
Oh, I'm on. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, I'm getting sucked into the butthole. Oh, shit. Where are we going? What is happening? I have no idea what's happening in this game. Oh, you're okay. Okay, here we go. Here we go again. Get loud. Gento! Oh no, the phone's been ringing all morning. Oh no, Bard! Bard, we'll have a conversation with them. Well, don't worry, we'll take your calls for you. Don't worry. We got you. I'll take all your calls. Forward them to me, Bard. Hello.
You made it.
I made it.
Violetta, this is impossible. Where am I?
You're in the far reaches of the cosmos now, kiddo.
Jeez. And you want me to just dance out into it?
That's right. Sparkle in your eye, candy in your heels.
What am I supposed to do?
Head east, into the foothills. You're looking for a creature called Star Gordon.
Oh, Star Gordon.
He'll help you find your way back to the lung.
Oh.
You'll need to book through his agent.
His agent?
Why, if I'm just gonna go back to the lung, why did I come here?
Holiday Street, I think.
Is this gonna be dangerous?
Oh, yeah. I don't even come out here.
Metal.
Let me ask you this. When you're shredding that sci-fi guitar nonsense, who are you?
Bobby.
An emperor of dying stars.
Then that's who you must become.
Oh, I've got to become Bobby.
Damn it.
Oh, I got my double jump back.
Impossible.
Oh, is this where we're gonna perform? Jump and hold triangle to activate the stage pad. Oh yeah! Look at that entrance. Oh yeah! Oh, we're gonna have to do. Oh shit, we're gonna have to do. Thingamabob. Okay. Chili's Hot Dog and Pepperoni Emporium. How can I help you? How can I further get you to enjoy your wiener today? Can I help you get the most out of your wiener?
In 1927, on the outer reaches of occupied space, a child was found adrift in a photon beam.
Oh.
His rescuers named him Lightman.
Oh, Lightman.
By the time he was 12, many considered Lightman to be the greatest musician alive.
Oh. That's impressive. Favor the Lark Bard! Get return calls! We believe in you, Bard! We believe in you!
In 1952, Lightman began his legendary Gold Weaver tour.
His Gold Weaver tour.
The tour would culminate with a performance unlike any other. A duet with the Glamour Gone. It was to be the greatest performance in the history of the universe.
Not the Glamour Gun. Oh, you know what? I don't know if I like that thing. Oh, I think it likes me though. It's shooting its beam. I don't know how I feel about it though.
The Glamagon resides in the Hyperion Whale Zone.
Hmm.
All are welcome to enter the Whale Zone.
Oh, the Whale Zone.
But only those who entertain the Glamagon are permitted to leave. For many, it is a one-way trip. Risking his life and that of his crew, Lightman arrived at the Whale Zone in August of '53. Little is known of the Glamagon's biology.
Oh yeah, look at all those.
It is described as an illusion so brilliant that many creatures remain transfixed and watch it until they perish.
Oh.
Understandably, Glamagons are very hard to impress.
Oh, we're gonna impress it though. We're so impressive. Oh, wait, what? Apparently that's death. What? Oh, I see. I have to make a bridge. Hello, very tall hologram man.
There are no recordings of Lightning and the Glamagons survived the performance.
Oh, that's
Their
unfortunate.
duet was heard across dimensions and cemented Lightman's place as one of humankind's seminal artists. On his
Hello.
return, Lightman was granted command of the
Hitman and
Cosmic
Hustlers, how are you, my friend? Welcome. Welcome on in. How are you doing, Hitman? How have you been?
Long is an entertainment vessel with a rich history,
Hello.
stepping stone for many legendary artists.
Mm. I'm doing fantastic, and I'm really glad to hear you're doing well. That's the important thing. Oh, look at these creatures. Oh, look at them. They're like llamas with really long legs. Look at those legs. Those legs go forever.
Who knows what the future holds for this young individual? Who knows what the future holds for this
Uh,
young individual? Who knows what the future holds for this young individual?
I think I'm broken.
Who knows what the future holds for this
I think they're broken. Say live, so I thought I'd stop by and say howdy doody. Oh, hell yeah, we're so happy to see you. We're always so happy to see you. This is Space Eddie Munson the game. It also, I'm not really 100% sure what's happening in the story, but I'm also having a great time. Oh my god, they're even taller llamas. Does anyone have a band? I've got lots of band-aids. Are you okay, Apple? Apple, I hope you're okay. What happened? I have so many band-aids.
Holiday Street. Must be headed in the right direction.
It's for the broken heads. Oh, the broken heads of the projectors? Think they need a band-aid? Oh, what is this place?
Grolem talent and flow.
I'm sure they're fine. I got really worried that something had happened, Apple. Hello? Hello? Oh, hello. Oh, cat.
Hey there, friend.
Do not touch me.
Oh, okay.
Crap. I didn't know you could talk.
I resisted it as long as I could. You have the bearing of a creature in the instinctual throes of some vast cosmic migration.
Where am I migrating to?
Yeah. Wow.
Because you have a chicken nugget emote. The Discord I'm in calls me the Nugget King. So you had to make a Nugget King emote. Yes, that's amazing. That's amazing. Well, I'm the Glizzy King, so you could be the Nugget King, and I'm the Glizzy King. I also have a. Oh shit! I can't get out of the game. I also have a King emote. It's a bit emote though. There are only a couple folks have this one. But I also have a King emote as the Glizzy King. Lisa, can I pick a pack because of the value? Absolutely. If there's a specific pack you want, just let me know, Lisa.
Does migration always go there and
Lisa
back?
is the good noodle star master. And also, I mean, sometimes you give out stars for not being good noodles. Like to Senator.
It can be one way. Why? Not planning a return trip?
Not as myself, no. Listen, I'm trying to make an appointment with Star Gordon.
Really? You'd better go straight through.
Okay, I'm gonna go straight. See you later, cat. Why does your office lead into a cave? Excuse me. JJ just gets evil, some naughty evil stars. Stream one, you got it. I will make sure that I get it sent over to you, Lisa. Oh, hello. Oh, hello. Wake him up with your guitar.
I'd like to make an appointment.
Dreadful.
Huh? What is?
That was the entrance of a busker, not a crossfire hurricane.
It's a damn monstrosity. Look at the size of it.
Ugh. An entrance, literal or metaphysical, cannot be undone, Francis.
Right. First impressions.
Still testing this holographic stage out. Personal project of mine. I'll let you take it for a test drive.
Oh.
You lucky duck.
Oh. Oh. What's happening? Oh, hello. Hi. Oh, you've got very. I didn't think you were gonna have legs that long. Hi. Yeah. Oh, that was the wrong one. Oh, sorry, sir. Oh, sorry. You do it? Hello.
You're quite loud for such an insignificant.
Oh, hey, hey, hey! How dare you? How
Learn to
how
howl from a
dare?
wild wolf pack.
And, of course, you're looking for representation.
Well, yeah, I guess
No.
so.
I'm trying to make an appointment with Star Gordon.
Star Gordon, are you absolutely sure?
I think so.
Well, I need to get back to the cosmic lung.
I can understand that. But is it worth the risk?
I don't know. What is the risk?
What does that mean?
Hey, albeit for me to argue, I'm sure he'll be happy for the work.
Is what worth the risk?
His den is on the other side of Disco Worm Ridge. Oh, it's gonna be a hell of a ride, human. I'd bet my hump on it.
Good night. See you later. That too. Ah. Oh, we're just scaling a mountain now. This is fine. This is fine. Hello. Oh, hi. Hi. Oh, okay. I guess we're playing music now. Oh, hello. What? What? What is happening? Oh, Star Gordon.
Star Gordons. Looks like an amusement park ride.
All right, here we go. Hello, I'm here. Oh, look at these rocks. Oh, look at this place. Hello! You didn't know from my very loud guitaring, I'm here. Hello. Oh, hang on, sorry.
Welcome to Star Gordon's. The trip of a lifetime.
Oh, the trip of a
Keep your
lifetime.
limbs inside the cart at all times. Just
Okay.
sing to power your journey.
Oh.
I won't be singing. Never suited me. Can I play a holographic guitar?
You're welcome to try that sort of thing.
Why not sing? Oh, what is this? Hello? Well, hello? What are you?
Been a very long time since a little fly buzzed in here.
I'm looking for Star Gordon.
Sir, why are you laughing at me?
Well, this is Star Gordon's, isn't it? Isn't it?
It is.
So?
You friend of Lightman's?
Yeah, I am the almighty...
The almighty Bobby, pronounced as just... guitar.
I'm trying to get back to the cosmic lung.
I don't know we're the almighty Bobby.
Ah, that's so. You got the makings of a story in you. I can smell it.
Oh, can you? You don't appear to have a nose.
Sometimes I feel like it's already been written for me. Who I am. Where I should be going.
Ah, but where you're from, that's what interests me. Why don't we go on a trip together, You can tell me all about it.
Okay, where are we going?
Yeah. Cool. Where are we going?
Yeah, where are we going?
Oh, to the stars.
Been there.
Tell me of your home planet.
Yeah, loading screen. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, we're gonna have a bad trip again? Oh, no. Oh, jeez. Oh, shit. Ah, no. Renowned for fireworks, starships, and romantic novellas. Von Deladon. Or Garmoth. A world of aluminum towers, colossal stadiums, and crystal bridges, all ringing in the key of A. Or Candy Hammer. Rotates on an axis equal to the mathematical formula for the perfect cream-filled Minbushi. I don't even know what that is, so not that one. I want the one with romantic novellas. Oh, Star Gordon's Midnight Whistle. What is this game? This is wild. What is this game?
Welcome back, Night Owl.
Oh, thank you.
Our
I am a
last
night owl.
guest for all eternity is the almighty...
The almighty Bobby, pronounced in guitar.
From beyond our naive concepts of reality.
Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, what? No, it's a pleasure.
A pleasure.
Yeah, it's a pleasure to be here.
Isn't it? You're from Von Deladon, correct?
Oh, yeah. Totally didn't make that up.
Still visit when the occasion calls.
Tell me about it.
Sure.
Oh, yeah, laser battles.
It's a war machine of constant laser battles.
Yeah, laser battles. Yeah, laser
that
battles.
Must have been traumatic for you.
No, it was pretty awesome.
I am horrified to admit I adored it.
What exactly did you adore?
The lasers. Yeah, the laser gauntlets.
Of running laser gauntlets.
Yeah, that was freaking awesome.
Thrill seeker.
Of a dangerous sort.
Your conquests seem outlandish, unbelievable in some cases. What would you say is your greatest achievement?
Controller, stop it! Stop it, controller! Oh,
Being
yeah.
the first soloist to jam with an alien mothership.
There must be no greater feat, no experience more visceral.
A moment that shall never be repeated, which I find impossibly disheartening.
I don't like our green shoes. I don't know how I feel about the green shoes.
Oh, what I wouldn't give.
They also kind of look like bedroom slippers.
To get out of the house for a night. To drown out the voices just for a while. There's been much made about
Bobby,
your
that's
escape
me.
from the planet. How did it happen?
Oh yeah, a starship made from champagne flutes.
Starship made from champagne flutes.
Yeah, that's how he did it. You gotta travel in style.
Luxurious. Possibly dazzling.
We gotta travel in style. You have to. There's no other way to travel.
The in-flight entertainment was exceptional.
What did you watch?
A mystery. Something about Prague disappearing?
Did you ever see the ship again?
We talk. Have coffee if she's in town.
It's a dizzying tale.
What is happening?
What kind of creature would be born from these strange circumstances? What would they dream? Love? Fear? What scares you?
What scares me?
There's a Medicham in chat. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, it's getting very ominous.
Where would I begin? To go through life quietly and...
Oh, Apple's already got a
You
Medicham.
feel compelled to be a creature of special significance.
I suppose it's always been expected of me. It's in my blood. That's what they tell you.
Lisa!
But those words feel weird in my mouth.
I'm not quite sure what it means either. Though, if you don't mind me saying, these sound like the worries of a terrestrial teenage boy.
I don't know how old we are.
Oh, that's not true.
Is he a teenager? I don't know how old he is.
Dreary doldrums of a humanoid.
He doesn't look like a teenager.
Without grief or grandeur.
No, totally untrue.
Looks like he's like in his
Bound to our
20s.
live studio audience, aren't you?
No,
They
no.
seem
Uh-oh.
affable. I know, but they're ravenous.
They're, what?
We're all hungry for blood out here. Once Lightman knew we planned to eat him, he never came back.
What?
What?
Yeah, what?
But that's all we've got time for, I'm afraid. You have been a delight.
Yeah, please don't eat me.
Pleasure to be here.
Yes, but we're not really here, are we?
Excuse me?
Not really anywhere at all.
I don't know what's happening. What's happening? Uh-oh.
Hello?
Hello? Oh. I mean, we appear to be here. Hello? Can't play my guitar. And I also can't double jump. Hello? Oh, I got my outfit back. My spacesuit.
Star Gordon?
Hello.
Lost your head in there, little hen. Oh, I thought you were going to shoot the coop.
Sorry. Yeah. I kind of forgot where I was, what I was doing.
That happened a lot.
Yeah. It's kind of my thing.
It wasn't terrible for a first try. Now, time to cut a track.
When do we
Cut a
get
track.
back to the lung?
new here, ain't you? The cosmic extraordinary is not linear. It moves around,
Bobby, that's me.
wears disguises, loops itself in ribbons.
I've never been in a real recording studio.
Oh, made all kind of records here. Got a bootleg of the first drum. Now, why don't you play a few notes to give me some levels?
Your head kind of bothers me, bud.
A revelation! But I'm getting a little buzz in here. Like an audience unimpressed by a hackneyed magician. You getting that?
No.
Think you'll need a little mountain reverb. Hold on to something.
Reverb. Uh-oh.
Sure. Wait, what?
Oh. Okay. Goodbye. Goodbye. Oh, are those skulls?
What happened to these guys?
Saw a Glamogon. So spectacular they couldn't look away, poor bastards.
A Glamogon. Lightman jammed with a Glamogon.
Yeah, that's going back. The trick is you have to be more spectacular than the Glamogon.
I've got a Glamogon of my own.
We've all got Glamagons, I suppose. But for this performance, you are the Glamogon.
Oh, I'm the Glamogon.
Promise me you'll play as if your dreams were now memories.
Oh, you've got it.
And the wonders of reality were all within your reach.
Yeah, you've got it, bud. Don't worry.
Wow.
What am I doing? Hitting random buttons. I don't know if it's supposed to be hitting specific buttons. I don't know if I was supposed to do something specific. I just hit random buttons. Where are we going? That's a mountain. The loading screen. All right. I'm hoping that this auto saves. I gotta wrap up. Oh, hang on. I gotta close this because this is on PC. I gotta wrap up this little afternoon bonus stream here and go get ready for our evening watch party. But we will be back in a couple hours with the wonderful ATM Zero, the amazing ATM Zero, and also some other friends for the Beardy Bunch podcast. And also we're going to be playing some Genshin Impact with Dad. So in about 3.5 hours, we'll be back with ATM 0. It'll be a lot of fun. 8 p.m. EST. Who would we like to raid in the meantime? Does anyone have a recommendation for a raid candidate for our little afternoon stream? I'm going to hop on Twitch and take a little peek and see who's online. Orange is live? Oh, Orange. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Ratzel, you doing okay? You doing okay? Thank you so much for hanging out, Ratzel. You're amazing. Let's get some raid emotes. There we go. We got raid emotes. If you got a little chili dog next to your name, grab one of those raid messages. And let's head on over to the amazing, the wonderful, the fantastic Type Orange. And let's hit him up with some positive vibes and a glizzy raid and all that good stuff. I'll see everybody back in a couple hours. If you'd like, in about an hour and a half, we will be enjoying some Avatar: The Last Airbender. We're starting season 3 today. We're starting season 3 today of Avatar in the Discord at 6 p.m. EST. But we'll be back here at 8 p.m. for some Genshin with ATM 0 and also the Beardy Bunch podcast with some special guests. So I'm going to start the countdown. Y'all are freaking amazing. Thank you so much, everybody, for hanging out. This was an unplanned afternoon stream, and y'all are here hanging out, taking time out of your day. I appreciate you all very, 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 very much. Blur, thank you for hanging out. I hope your day is going fantastic. Apple, thank you for all your help today. You are amazing, Apple. I hope your day is going really well. Ratzel, hopefully you escape work very soon. Thank you so much for hanging out. I very much appreciate the spicy Ratzel today. We had spicy Ratzel in the house. Lisa, thank you for hanging out. You are amazing. Hitman, if you are still here, my friend, I very much appreciate you stopping by. You're amazing. Jinto, thank you for hanging out. Bard, I hope the calls are going well. Megan, thank you for hanging out. I know Slothy was here earlier. Thank you so much for hanging out. Coulter, thank you for the raid. Neon Medusa, thank you for hanging out. Hotline, I hope you have a great rest of your day. I believe that's everyone that's been here fairly recently, but if anyone else is lurking in the shadows and hanging out with us, I appreciate you all very much, and I'll see you back here in a couple hours. Have a good rest of your afternoon, everyone. See you later.